And we are going to begin with some breaking news coming in from Karnataka. Viewers, it might sound frivolous, but the Khatakhat model that Congress promised seems to be holding true for its appeasement politics in Karnataka. Following up on its cabinet decision last year to withdraw cases against rioters in Hubli police station attack case, Siddaramaiah Govt has moved High Court to legally quash the cases against the riot accused. That's the big news that we are breaking for you right now, and it has become a big controversy as well, a big political controversy, with the Bharatiya Janata Party netas also now raising questions. In fact, viewers, legal advisor to the Chief Minister, A.S Ponnanna, has resorted to whataboutery in defence. He says even the Bharatiya Janata Party has withdrawn cases in the past, and Congress Party was just following the procedure.
BJP withdrew cases, what is it? BJP is only doing emotional politics in Karnataka because they are unable to match the development that is taking place in Karnataka. And therefore they are creating an emotional narrative which is their modus operandi every time.
Let's now go across to my colleague Imran joining us live for more on this story. Imran, we are talking about the 2022 riots in Hubli that shook, many people in this entire country. Cops were targeted. Public property was badly vandalized as well. And the questions today being asked are of the Karnataka government. What is this hurry? What's behind this swift action that has been taken?
Well, as far as the Congress is concerned, they're saying that it is following the procedure. In fact, the decision was taken in the cabinet in October 2024 that to take the cases registered against them, which some of which include UFA, which comes under section of NIA. They say that they will withdraw all these cases. Now, what they've done is they're following procedure, and now they legally the next step would be to file in the High Court, informing the High Court that they're withdrawing these cases both in the NIA Court and also in the Karnataka High Court. However, the BJP sees fall in it, saying that within a span of 3 months shows the urgency of the Congress government to appease the minorities, and that's the reason why they are doing these cases. And they say that why is it the rioters and somebody who also have UAPA cases against them, section invoked against them, they are being cases being withdrawn against them. Congress retorts back saying that this is the same thing BJP did. In fact, every government has been withdrawing cases. Why is it that only one particular single case they are trying to politicize the issue? And it's in the DNA of the BJP, and they're playing the emotional card over this issue. They say that during this time they withdraw cases against Bajrang Dal and other right-wing organization members, and now they're only crying foul because this Congress is doing it. This shows the intent of the BJP is what the Congress is accusing. BJP, however, is attacking the Congress, saying that this is nothing but minority appeasement on the part of the Congress government in the state.
Imran, request you to stay on with us. And like you told us, now there is a war of words that has started on this particular issue. And listen in to what BJP's Pradeep Bhandari has to say.
कांग्रेस की कर्नाटका सरकार एक औरंगजेबी शासन चला रही है। औरंगजेब की सोच से इंस्पायर होकर हुबली राइटर्स का केस वापस लेने जा रही है। ये स्पष्ट करता है कि भले वो 4% स्पेशल रिजर्वेशन सरकारी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स के अंदर मुसलमानों को देना हो, या हुबली राइटर्स का केस वापस लेना हो, या कोई भी कर्नाटक की जमीन पे वक्फ को कब्जा करवाना हो, कर्नाटक का कांग्रेस सरकार औरंगजेबी सरकार है, जिसमें सोच औरंगजेब की है, ना कि बाबा साहेब भीमराव अंबेडकर की। यहाँ पे सेकंड ग्रेड सिटीजन्स हिंदुओं को कर्नाटक की कांग्रेस सरकार ट्रीट करती है। इस तुष्टीकरण की सरकार को कर्नाटक की जनता जवाब देगी।
These are the very people who attacked police station, attacked the police commissioner, attacked the common constables and tried to kill them. They tried to burn the police station and police alive. And these kind of people were put behind the bar rightly. But Congress government, just in order to appease Muslims, just in order to appease the minority vote bank, they are moving in at a lightning speed in order to withdraw this case. This is there in their DNA. We can't expect much better from them.
So you heard the reactions, viewers, of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Let's tell you a little bit about what this case really was. On the night of 16th of April 2022, in fact, a Muslim mob had gathered outside the old Hubli police station to protest against a derogatory social media post. And these are the visuals that we are also showing to our viewers as to what exactly had happened at that point in time. They later went on a rampage, literally damaging police vehicles as well as targeting public property. Viewers, 4 policemen were injured in stone pelting as well, and rioting that followed. Police station was attacked. There was a mob attack. There was provocation. There was stone pelting. Not just that, there was widespread violence as well. Rioting, arson, cops were targeted too. And these were, the things that really happened. And now very swiftly we have seen government moving to withdraw the cases in this case, situation. And the question is why? BJP says that this is nothing but appeasement by the Congress party. Police, remember viewers, on that day had to resort to lathi charge as well. The government had taken a cabinet decision then on 10th of October last year to withdraw the cases. And now, in just 5 months, the matter is in court with the next hearing slated for April 7th. Congress party, however, viewers, is seeing nothing wrong really in this. In fact, Congress party is now accusing the Bharatiya Janata Party of making this whole issue emotional, getting into emotional politics. In fact, that is what the Congress party is alleging. Now, viewers, the riots cases were dropped by the Karnataka government, and Congress party's own people, in fact, had called it planned riots. Now, over 150 people were outside the police station. And this is what happened on 16th of April 2022. This is what the FIR also mentioned. Just look at these visuals. These will tell you how bad the situation really was at that point in time. And then at that point in time, the Congress president, Altaf Halur, the district Congress president, said MIM members were mobilizing the people. The question is, what is the urgency to suddenly withdraw the cases? The mob was armed with stones and sticks. This is what is mentioned in the FIR. And like we've been saying, own members of the Congress party have called it planned riots. Altaf Halur, district Congress president, at that time had said that the mobilization happened through WhatsApp. It wasn't spontaneous what happened. There was mobilization. There was somebody who was instigating, in fact, the people to come there, and that's why the riots happened. And then he also had said people were also called to assemble. The FIR mentioned they threatened that no cop will be spared. The target was the police officials there, the public property, the police station. And that is the reason why, viewers, questions today are being asked. And in fact, the FIR also mentioned very, very clearly, they threatened the mob, the people who were present there, they threatened that no cop will be spared. And after this big development in this case today, what we are now seeing is a political war of words that has also started. BJP is targeting the Congress party, the way it has moved ahead in this particular case of only thinking about appeasement politics. And that's the big story that we are breaking here on Times Now. We'll also try and go back to my colleague Imran, who continues to be with us. But before that, we have a reaction coming in from a minister of Karnataka as well. Let's listen in.
How many cases have been withdrawn? Why only specific about this case? So there are so many cases we have withdrawn, and subsequently every government has withdrawn the cases. Is it not the previous government has not withdrawn the cases? Then why the national media is not taking entire issue? Then you have to get all the issues which government has withdrawn the cases. The subsequent government which BJP was there. After that, what Congress has come. Prior to that, whichever state, wherever such cases has been withdrawn, we should have a debate. Why only particular this case?
Let's now go back to my colleague Imran, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Imran, some tough questions being asked at this point in time. The pace at which the developments have taken place in this particular matter. What is it that the government has to say on some specific charges by the Bharatiya Janata Party?
Well, what you heard just last bite was of the Santosh Lad. He was a minister in charge, the district in charge minister of Hubballi, and he was defended saying that the BJP is making politicizing the issue. In fact, they also had withdrawn cases against people like this. In fact, there was a petition which was given to the Santosh Lad in this regard to remove the cases of people when he claimed that instead of the rioters, innocents have been arrested. And last October, during in the cabinet meeting, the decision was taken that to take out all these cases against these people who were against whom UAPA and other such serious acts have been invoked by the police there. Now, the BJP is questioning the speed and the manner in which they wanted to take out these cases. Within a span of 3 months, they have gone to the High Court saying that they are following the order and all this withdrawing of the cases is what they are reporting. Now, we have to wait and see what the High Court
really
decides.
Is that if the order of the government is merely being followed, procedure is merely being followed, the question is why? Because there is no justification. What is the rationale behind the withdrawal?
Well, the government had given saying that at that time during the course of investigation, a lot of innocents were arrested because the incident happened late in the night, and during there was a huge stone pelting on the police station. Police tried to control the crowd. In fact, many of the corporators in that area were also arrested. 2 of them belonged to the MIM party. In fact, even Congress, the leader that time had alleged that it was organized through WhatsApp and asked people to assemble at the station because one social media post which had objectionable post was there in social media, to which the entire incident happened. It was same during time of month of Ramadan, but after Tarawih prayers, mob gathered at the police station and vented out the anger. They wanted to get hold of the accused and give public punishment. That the cops tried to obstruct it. That's when the whole stone pelting happened, in which 4 of the cops also got injured. Now the arrest happened close to 150 to 300 people is what we know. People were arrested. Many representatives from the minority organization had given representation to the government there that most of them were innocent is what they claimed was. The government reviewed it, and after that a decision was taken in cabinet meeting to take out all these cases. BJP had cried foul, saying that this is nothing but minority appeasement. They said that when a police station is attacked by a mob, just because they belong to the minority community, why is the government going lenient about it? The government had said that some of them were innocent, and those innocent, they are taking out the case.
But Imran, that also raises many questions on the investigation that happened. Because like I was also reading for our viewers, what the leaders of the Congress party also at that time had to say, that perhaps there were people who were trying to instigate the crowd. It wasn't a spontaneous thing that we saw happening, in 2022. There was somebody who was trying to mobilize these many number of people who had gathered, who tried to attack the police vehicle, tried to attack the police station, tried to target the cops who were there on duty. So it wasn't spontaneous. There was somebody mobilizing. The question is who? What about justice? In this particular case, public property was damaged.
Well, yes, the public property was damaged. 4 of the policemen got injured. Police station was attacked. It is what Hubli is a very tense, communally tense city, and in fact, that particular area where the incident happened has always been communally sensitive. And that when it sparked off rumors of a social media post, objectionable post, and that went viral after that. There was even the charge sheet also. They said that the people were mobilized through WhatsApp and Instagram. The messages were sent out to gather at the police station. The mob which came turned violent, throwing stones at the police station and injuring 4 of the cops. Now over this, the BJP had accused some of the elements of the MIM. In fact, 2 of the corporators of the MIM were arrested in that. Now after the cabinet decision on October 24th last year, the BJP had tried foul that this is nothing but minority appeasement on the part of the Congress government. Congress government had justified it, saying that some of them were innocents. Only those innocents, they are being released. And now, as part of legal procedure, they followed it up with the special public prosecutor filing a caveat in the court that they are withdrawing these cases, to informing the court both in the NIA and also in the High Court.
All right, Imran, thank you very much for the moment, for joining us with all of those details. We'll come back to you for more on this. With this, viewers, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.